So what do you do when you're thousands of dollars in debt, your debt is in collections, you're feeling stuck? I want to share some advice with you that I recently shared with someone else who is going through this situation. They're 30 years old with $30,000 in debt. Most of it is in collections, a credit score between 500 to 550. They do have a full-time job making over $100,000 annually, and they're trying to provide for their family of four in this economy. Now they're thinking about bankruptcy or debt consolidation. They were not taught finances or about the credit system growing up, and now they want to change that for their family. Well, I would recommend one, create a $0 budget. This is where every dollar is allocated to a necessity. Cut out the unnecessary expenses, the eating out, the gym membership if you're not using it, cable if you have to. Next, pay down your debt using what's called the snowball method. You're taking the smallest debt first, and with laser focus, you're getting it paid off ASAP. And then you're going to the next size debt and doing the same. Get that paid off ASAP, and then go to the next debt. Now, for the accounts in collections, I would check to see if these are still within their statute of limitations. And if so, I would research the debt collectors to see if any offer paper deletes. And if so, I would negotiate the balances down as low as possible, get it in writing, and take care of those debts. If the original creditor still has the account, and I see a lot of these credit card companies like Visa, MasterCard tend to hold on to the debt, I would see if I could negotiate the balance owed if it's still within the statute of limitations, and I would settle it. Why? Because these original creditors are suing. They lent you the money and now they want to be paid. That's fair. But then I would dispute it with the credit bureaus using pre-litigation disputes to see if I can get it removed. Also, if it were me, I would not file for a bankruptcy, especially if I am not a homeowner. If I'm a renter, here's why. It will be extremely difficult for you to find a place when you have a bankruptcy. Most places will not rent to you with the bankruptcy on your credit report. If need be, I would get a second source of income and take that extra income to pay down debt. Again, using that snowball method. Quick wins are motivating and encouraging for a lot of people, and that's why I like the snowball method. So I hope this helps anyone that's in a similar situation. And if you want to learn how to budget, then see the link in my bio. I have a free budgeting 101 course, and there are some free templates in there for you.